Now this is iPhone 15 Pro unfiltered. I'm going to show you how I transform this video to look like this using my phone. I have no external hard drive. I'm shooting at 4K 30 frames per second and at ultra wide, that is 0.5x. I'm going to show you exactly how we transform this video to look cool. It's completely raw, there's no hidden gear, no lighting. Now let's get right into it.
Ahead and click to open it. Now I'm going to create a project, new project, and find the clip that I intend to edit. I think it's gonna be this one. You can click on this here to expand it and see. I cannot get the sound, but you can get the sound. I cannot get the sound because I'm recording. I think this is it. And now I'm quickly just going to go ahead and skip to the part where I adjust the colors. I cannot trim precisely because I'm not getting the exact thing that's going on. But yeah, now you click on your clip to select it. Head over to filters. We are going to adjust the color to give it that life. Head over to life, yeah, and once here I'm going to choose LE2. Now it kind of made it darker, right? But no problem, we are going to fix that. After that, I'm going to go ahead to adjust exposure 25, compensate for that darkness, and over to the contrast, keep it at -4. That's fine. And over to brightness, -11. Because it kind of took away some shadows on the ground, on the road. I don't want that. Over to vibrance, we're going to take it to 28. And temperature -2. Over to HSL, the color first we go to the greens, and in this green I'm going to increase the saturation and wait a minute, increase the saturation of the greens, the hue to like -9. Yeah, that still works though. Over to this, -22. Saturation, take it down like -61. And what else? Hue. I'm going to decrease the hue a little bit towards the green. Like let's say -11. Shadows increase so it can be a little bit brighter to like +10 or so. Another. Now let me just photos. Head over to stock and add this black. Expand it. Once that is expanded, I'll go ahead and drag this to complete the whole stuff, the whole clips. Why does it keep adding this? Delete. And now I'm going to use mask. I'm going to create a mask, and in this mask I'll choose mirror, and we're gonna have to invert this. Sorry. Then drag this up a little bit. Make sure this is tight. Now you just adjust it to how you want. This is basically us adjusting the black bars. Get it? Now as you can see, this is what we have now compared to what we had before. Now that's not done. I'm going to enhance this sound as well, and I'll use Ophonic. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're exporting the sound from the video, okay? So I'm going to actually trim my clip to where I want it trimmed to and export the sound. So we're going to export only this audio, and let's save to files. I'll save it as YouTube vid. save it. I'm saving it in Xender. Save it somewhere that you're easily going to locate it. Now I'm going to quickly head over to my browser and open Ophonic. Okay, that's the site, and you click here, select audio or video record, choose file, and YouTube fit. This is the sound. Voice cleaner, keep music. I don't really have any music, so I'll just take like voice cleaner, remove music, and start. You wait for it to actually do its thing. It doesn't take long, maybe depending on how long your track is going to be. Processing. Give you some time. And now it's basically done. You can go ahead and download all files again. Save to file so that I can easily find it. YouTube vid enhanced. All of this with the phone. Now I come back to this and I click on audio, music, and extract from here. No, I think I'll come over to my music file app and I'll just look at where that was. It was in Xender, right? Yeah. So we have YouTube vid enhanced. Open. And from Ophonic, we'll go ahead and reduce the volume of that sound because it has some robotic effects that I don't really like. So I'll just bring it out to, let's say, 70. And I'll just bring it out to 60. Okay?
So on filtered, I'm going to show you how I transform.
So now you can go ahead and add your texts that I'm going to add to this video and other elements. If you liked it, if you found it useful, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so when I post, you'll be one of the first to see. See you in my next tutorial video.